Some mornings you crave something simple, like McDonald's hotcakes. They're a breakfast staple, instantly nostalgic, and always the same. But have you ever wondered how they're made? It's not a guy flipping pancakes in the back. Instead, it's a massive, high-tech factory operation. We're about to step inside a world of stainless steel, conveyor belts, and robotic arms, all dedicated to making millions of identical hotcakes. This isn't about artistry, it's about precision and speed. Every day, thousands of McDonald's serve these hotcakes, and the demand never stops. To meet it, the process must be fast, repeatable, and exact. The factory is where raw ingredients become perfectly cooked, frozen hotcakes, ready for their journey across the country. We'll follow the journey from powder and liquid to the fluffy stack on your tray. It's a blend of basic ingredients and advanced technology. You might think you know hotcakes, but you've never seen them made like this. This is the story of how a simple breakfast is engineered for millions. So let's pull back the curtain and see how it's done. From the first ingredient to the final product, it's a process that feeds a nation. Stick with me as we explore the hidden world behind your favorite breakfast. The scale is staggering, the technology impressive, and it all starts with a craving for something golden brown and familiar. Ready to see how your hotcakes are made? Let's dive in. This is breakfast, reimagined by industry. It's a dirty job in its own clean, industrial way, but someone's got to do it. Today, that someone is us. Let's get started. Hotcakes seem simple. Flour, eggs, milk. So why a giant factory? The answer: consistency. When you order at McDonald's, you expect the same taste and texture every time. If every restaurant made them from scratch, results would vary wildly. Different cooks, different griddles, chaos. The brand is built on predictability. A factory removes all uncertainty. Centralized production means every step is controlled with precision. Every hotcake is a perfect clone of the last. Giant silos, computer-controlled mixers, robotic arms. These aren't just for show. They guarantee every batch is identical, every hotcake cooked to perfection. This isn't just about making a lot of hotcakes, it's about making a lot of perfect hotcakes. Industrial engineering meets comfort food. The only way to serve millions of identical breakfasts? Turn breakfast into a manufacturing process. It's a fascinating intersection of food and technology. And it all starts with getting the basic ingredients right on a massive scale. That's why the Hotcake Factory exists. Let's see how it all begins. It all starts with the raw materials, but not from your local grocery store. Towering silos hold thousands of pounds of McDonald's proprietary hotcake flour blend. This mix contains flour, sugar, leavening agents, and salt, pre-mixed for consistency. Pneumatic systems move the dry mix through pipes to giant hoppers above the mixers. No bags, no scoops, just automation. Computers measure the exact amount for each batch. Next, refrigerated tanks hold the wet ingredients, liquid eggs, milk, or water. These are pumped through chilled pipes directly to the mixers. Again, it's all automated and precisely measured. The mixing bowl is massive, blending everything into a smooth batter. Mixing time is programmed for perfect texture, never overmixed. In minutes, you have hundreds of gallons of flawless hotcake batter. No human error, just industrial precision. The result, a perfect foundation for every hotcake. The journey from powder to batter is complete. Now, it's time for the griddle. The batter is pumped into a holding tank, then fed into the depositor. Nozzles drop perfect circles onto a massive moving steel griddle. Every hotcake is the same size and thickness, thanks to automation. The griddle, a continuous belt, moves through a heating tunnel at a precise temperature. Sensors and computers keep the heat steady for even cooking. As the hotcakes bubble, robotic arms flip them in perfect unison. They cook a bit longer, emerging golden brown and fluffy. No human hands touch them, just a seamless flow of identical hotcakes. It's mesmerizing to watch, a river of perfection. In minutes, batter becomes breakfast. The hotcakes are ready for the next step. Let's see how they're cooled and packed. Hotcakes come off the griddle piping hot, too hot to pack. They travel through a cooling tunnel on a mesh conveyor, chilled by powerful fans. Once cool, machines stack them in threes with flawless precision. Each stack is wrapped in plastic, heat-sealed for freshness. Packages pass through a metal detector for safety. Any problem? The package is rejected. Next, stacks enter a spiral freezer, flash frozen to lock in texture. Frozen solid, they're boxed, palletized, and stored in a massive freezer warehouse. Every step is automated, every detail controlled. The hotcakes are ready for their journey. Next stop, your local McDonald's. Frozen hotcakes travel by refrigerated truck to McDonald's restaurants. They're stored in walk-in freezers until you order. When you do, a crew member grabs a frozen stack and pops it into a special oven. This oven uses convection and microwave tech to reheat hotcakes in under a minute. The process is pre-programmed for perfect results every time. Hot, fluffy hotcakes are placed in the familiar container. Butter and syrup are added, and your order is ready. From factory to tray, the process is fast, precise, and consistent. In just minutes, your breakfast is served. All that's left is to enjoy. That first bite is more than just breakfast. It's a marvel of food engineering. Every detail, from color to texture, is the result of careful design and control. Food safety is built into every step, from stainless steel pipes to flash freezing. The cold chain keeps your hotcakes safe and fresh. Mass production on this scale is a feat of engineering and ingenuity. Millions of identical hotcakes, all thanks to relentless precision. Next time you eat McDonald's hotcakes, remember the unseen effort behind them. It's more than a meal, it's the end of a remarkable journey. Science, technology, and hard work come together in every bite. Even the simplest pleasures are powerful.